Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a healthy breakfast recipe. So I have using some pasta oats. So basically what I'm doing, I'm putting the oats in some almond milk to soak overnight. So in the morning, I'm just gonna add my fruits in the morning. So basically this is it for now. Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm about to prepare my breakfast. I have 3 strawberries and some bananas. You can add your fruits of your choice, but I'm using strawberries and bananas. I'm also going to add 1 yogurt, the original strawberry. You can also use the vanilla yogurt, but I don't have any vanilla yogurt right now, so I'm just using what I have. I'm going to add a small amount of ground cinnamon. Then I'm going to blend. So yes guys, that is it. You can add some honey for taste, but I didn't add any honey, so that is my breakfast. Thank you so much for watching guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn your post notifications on